let's say what our data is. So I am going to say for item in data, as we already saw, I can just say item equal to item dot split, and now it creates a dictionary. So item 0 is the key right now, and customer info is our dictionary where the key is item 0, which is the CID, and in the key the second element is the name, and which is an empty set. So what we do in the set operation, if we want to add something, we say dot add equal to dot add, and where is the name? It is the I in the list. The name is the second element of it is item 1. Okay, so I have added the names, and it will remove the duplicates for us, so we'll see that in a while. And I use the same statement. I copy it here, paste it here, and I say item 0. Now I want to say amount equal to, I want to, this is an integer, right now it was 0, so I want to say equal to same. So plus equal to means x equal to x plus, and the value lies at the 0, 1 and 2, and I want to convert it into from a str to int. Let me convert it into int value, so it will sum it up. Let's see if it works, and let's see how our customer info looks like now, and what was our data. So if you see, for customer 1 there are 3 names, for customer 2 there is 1 name, and for customer 3 there is just so for customer 2 there is 1 name, and customer 3 there is again a 1 name. Now let's do one thing. I'll duplicate the record for customer 2 in the file. So let me open vi and the customer data file. Let me open it, and let me go to the insert mode. Okay, it's not working right now. Let's insert C3 which was say 3000 here. Let's go back and say read the data again. File name was customer data.txt. Let's see what the data is, and I have to just replicate the code again. So I just make customer info as empty. So customer info is again empty. You can see customer info is empty, and I first say I take out the CID. So CID hasn't changed, CID is still there, it's just there. So we just take For x and CID, let's initialize, and for item in data, let's insert, and let's see what customer info looks like now. So if you see, was in data, C3 had duplicates for the name, but still it is 1, and the amount is 8k for C3 as well. We can access directly, say CID, say C1, and we can print it's a dictionary. We can just say I'm interested in name, it's a list. So again I can convert into list, and you would have got the gist. I can convert into a list. So that's all for today. Bye.